March 10th this year marks the 65th anniversary of the Tibetan People's Uprising against China's illegal occupation of Tibet in 1959. Today, Tibet remains an occupied territory under tight military surveillance.
Shame on CCP! Shame on CCP! Warning Tibetans!
In Tibet! Stop killing! In Tibet! Stop torturing! In Tibet!
People die!
China people die!
Shame on China!
Shame on China!
Shame, shame, China, shame!
Shame, shame, China, shame!
China is the killer!
China is the killer!
Shame on killer!
Shame on killer!
Shame, shame, Xi Jinping!
Shame, shame, Xi Jinping!
China lies! China lies! China lies! Long live! Long live! Long live! Human rights! Human rights!
宗教教育，中共要想努力消灭这个文化宗教教育，这些是未来的世界的